Welcome to Workout 9 of your Les Mills 28-day Body Combat training program.
Today's workout is 4 tracks of mixed martial arts magic.
We'll start with a warm-up and then rip into some combat and power training.
Grab a towel, a water bottle, make some space, and let's get into it. All right, front stance, boxing guard. Hands up, crunch. We're gonna get those abs firing for our boxing warm-up. Start with the abs, add the jabs, right, left, right, left. Throw your hands up, knuckles to nose, nice and soft at the elbow, release the heel and drop. Boxing warm up to lift the heart rate. Right foot forward, combat stance, uppercut, right, left. So the uppercut is a vertical punch. It goes to chin height. It goes up. Is that getting faster? Is it getting faster? It is, right? All right, let's bend our knees. Let's get those shoulders rolling. Let's get into the core. Oh yeah, and hands up, because we're about to move off the spot. Are you ready? Double jab cross. Go. Shuffle back. Do it again. Right, left. Straight down the line. Knuckle the nose, release the heel, and drop, down, push, go. All right, now in boxing, it's really important to drop your shoulders from your ears and throw that punch. Loosen up, nice. Last one, hook right, hook left. Jack your feet, in and out. All right, so the hook is about 90 degrees and you target between the temple and the jaw, using the big knuckle. Alternatively, inside body combat, you can always sit down into a squat if you want to take the impact away. Feel free to stay up high. One more time. Butt backing down when you sit. One hook. Good job. Front stance crunch. Let's see how mean you can look. Do the Dan eyebrow. Now add those jabs. How's it feel second time around? Looser? Feel like you throw those hands? This is my favorite bit, ready? So we learn how to throw punches in boxing, but we need to learn how to move our head off 12 o'clock. You got it. Left foot forward, combat stance, uppercut. This is possibly one of the harder boxing moves to master. So here's a few tips. You throw your hand from in front of the rib cage up and never behind. How's that feel? Feels faster. All right. We're about to turn the workup up. Heads up, 76, coming at ya. In 4, 3, double jab cross, go! I like this. On that cross, release your heel, drop down on the punch, and get ready to focus. I knew you'd like that. I wasn't excited about doing that whatsoever. Not my favorite moment. Last one! All right, here comes those hooks. Around, get the jacks going. Trying to pump the heart rate up. Bend your knees, and again, if you do want to sit down and squat, brace your abs and push your butt back. Press it up, let's go. A good hook is when the elbow's just a little bit higher than the wrist. Almost time to hand you over to Dan the Man. One hook.
Beautiful. All right, let's get the heart rate up. Easy job. Right, left, right, left. We're gonna take the heart rate up, then bring it down, then take it up again. Lift your knees.
Hold up, let me see about us. Let me see about us. Let me see about us.
We're gonna learn some lower body strikes. Step left, side kick right. 1, 2, then step step backwards. Let the chest rotate. And as you step out, turn the toe, bend the knee. Elbow just tucked in, and then naturally relax your arms. Out, in, retract kick. Now, set up roundhouse, right. Step back. Same thing with the foot. It turns, so you put all the weight on your back leg. Easy roundhouse low, hands up. Striking low, but lifting the chest high. One more. Heart rate up. Run! Knees up. Arms. Warming up the muscles in the leg. Lifting up the heart rate. Round two. Step right, cycling leg. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The toe turns down as you strike. That activates the glutes. It also allows you to lean away more. One more. Set up, left roundhouse. Knee and shin near parallel to the ground. Last one. Extend arm, kick low. Out and back. Now step back into a wide stance. Come around the body. Run! Take a deep breath now. Low exhalation. Higher. Okay. Slow down. Drop low. Feet wide. 2 jumps right. Jump back. 2 right knees. 1 front kick. Land and go again. On the knee, bring the knee up towards the belly button and then swing the arm down on the kick. Get ready to change side. Go. Land with both feet together. Soft hands, soft legs, lift, out, in, drop. Warming up the hamstrings, warming up the core, warming up the lower back. New move. Double right knee, go, jump wide freeze, change. Little reaction training. Go, boom, freeze, go. Knees out, abs brace. Now add a little bounce. We're mobilizing through the hips. Feet together.
Time to lift the intensity with a little cardio and some massive kicks. Right leg forward. Jab cross elbow, 1, 2, 3. Easy pulse. Descending elbow. Got to throw the elbow, turn the hand into chest, and you bring it straight down the middle. Have a go, see how it feels. All right, I think they got it, John. Let's show them what's next, baby. Jump kick. Bah!
Let's go.
Sweep the back leg, jump kick. Sweep kick. Now, alternatively, hey, step kick. That's gonna be a focus here on power. You choose cardio, or you can add power. Shua! Well done, team. Last one. Freeze. Front stance. Advancing side kick. Step left leg. Right side kick. Hold. Step right. Kick. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Reset. Toe down, heel up on the kick. And listen, we practice slow so we can get confident, so that when we hit speed, we can hammer it. Step, kick, one more time. At the speed, advancing. Pa! Ready? Step, step, kick. Step, step, kick. Advancing with steps, toe down, squeeze the glutes as you fight. All right, I can see their confidence, which means you can extend. Keep it coming, guys. Let's say we do one more, baby. Right leg forward, jab, cross, elbow, jump kick. Bah! Now, if you want the step kick alternative, the stability of the step allows you to bring the power. Let's try it. Step. Wah! Fantastic. 2 more. Last one. Lift, lift.
Time.
Well done.
Thanks, T.
Let's go, bro.
Round 2. Left combat stand, boxing guard, jab, cross, elbow, go. Do that again. Now everybody on your elbow. So drop your shoulders, crunch your abs, because that's gonna help you generate power. Everybody, yes or no? Alright, here it comes. 1, 2, 3,
Let's
hit
go.
it. Kicking. So if you're doing the jump kick, try this one. Use momentum to propel that body weight off the ground. And that's gonna spike heart rate. And it helps you burn more calories. How does that sound?
Yeah!
All right, you got one more, everybody. Now hold your guard and freeze. Time. Step wide. Advancing slightly slow. Step, kick, land, change. 1, 2, 3, switch. Now you don't have to kick high, but focus on stepping behind the kicking leg, because that's gonna help you cover more distance when you kick. Now use your arm for balance. One more, everybody. Speed. Chua. Change. And in martial arts, we use the advancing side kick for the distance fighting. And speaking of that, I will show you something really cool. Ready, Tal?
I'm ready, brother.
Stay, bro. Whoop. Chua.
Oh!
How does that look, bro?
Feels good, bro.
That's my favorite move, man. Left leg, jab, cross, elbow. Kicking. Now heart rate's pumping. T-shirts are getting a little sweaty. And you got 4 more. Can I have a kiai? Everybody kiai. Last 2. One more. Hold your guard and freeze. Time. Run. Right, left. 1, 2, 1 and 2. A real focus on lifting the heart rate for this track. And we're gonna do that through power combinations with the punches and speed of those punches. Lift knees. You broke me, I broke you. That's usually how it happens. It's called the motivation effect. Round 1, 55 seconds. Maximum effort. Front stance, jab, right left. Tuck your chin in now. Bend your knees a little more. Try this. Squeeze the ground between your feet. That's going to give you a strong foundation. Hold that position. Punch higher than your shoulder. Now imagine you're hitting a big heavy bag. Try and knock the stuffing out. Maximum effort. Train through the muscles. Train through the bag. 8, 7, 6. Sky. Phase 1 done. Awesome. Jog, right, left. Not 1. Not 2. But 3 levels of intensity to the next combo. Start slow, then we add speed. Uppercut, right, left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Double right jab, left cross twice. 4, 3. On the cross, let the hip, let the shoulder, and let the foot naturally turn and whip. That sets you up for the next move. Fast, 8 uppercuts. to level 2. Now breathe with it. Let the shoulders naturally flow. Now whip on the cross. That sets you up for level 3. Drop down, watch. Basta! Give it a go. Retract fast. It's like you're throwing something with all your might. Jab cross only. 1, 2, 1, 2. Lean forward. Now brace your abs hard. Rip it. Control it. Now let it go. Single forward. Easy jog, right, left. 1, 2, 1 and 2. One more round. Start slow. Add speed, add complexity, equals intensity. Uppers, left, right. Roll, forward. Double, single. I say roll forward because the shoulders as they rotate, we use the core to generate all of that power. And then whip it. Training the muscles effectively. Speed. Level 3, go! Stay tight. Stay forward. One more. 25 seconds remaining. Just a jab cross. Go! It doesn't matter what you look like. It's how it makes you feel. Try and hear your sweat. Be ultra fast. 8, 7. Forward. 2.
Awesome. That's workout 9 of your 28-day Les Mills Body Combat Training Program in the bag.
We hope you're enjoying it as much as we're enjoying putting it together.
In workout 10, we build on everything you've learned so far.
Soon you'll be doing a full Les Mills Body Combat workout like a pro.
See you soon.